Hey guys, this is Charlie with MetalWorks with another update on our 68 Fastback build. The footage we got for you guys here is taking the Mustang through the last little bit of metal work, metal fab, as well as mechanical mock-up. They're going to be pulling the body off from the Roadster Shop chassis, and then some final work on the chassis itself. And then the body actually comes over here into the body shop where we are currently, and going to be taking that through epoxy and then a little bit of work in the engine bay. So I got a bunch of footage for you guys to check out. Let's jump on into it. Alright guys, just a few things that Adam's been working on. He built this bracket to hold the gas pedal. He's got the other pedals mounted, mocked up in here. He's got the master cylinder mocked up, and also the booster for the brake system. He's got mounted inside the inner fender here. He actually made some really cool brackets, so all you see on the inside of the engine bay here is this piece to hold the booster in place. So while Adam's been busy on that stuff, Dave has been doing metal work to save these original fenders. So he's been metal working both his front and rear section here, got them looking really good. Now he's been working on this inner lip of the fender here, which he's got pulled out. That was all smashed flat. Might have been the old baseball bat trick back in the day to allow for some tire clearance. So Adam's got the vintage air unit mocked up, mounted it behind the dash on the passenger side. You can see where it'll feed through the firewall. You can see Adam's getting the rear panel put on, getting the passenger side to fit. Adam's got a few more pieces mocked up on the front end here. Then he added a little bit of material to the core support here for mounting the radiator on both sides. Alright, you can see Adam has the front end of the Mustang off again and the engine pulled. He's been working on the brake and clutch masters and all that, and getting everything, the brackets welded into place. Now he's going to be cleaning up the firewall of a bunch of holes that don't need to be there, and then tapping some holes for other mounts, doing a little bit of rust repair and filling miscellaneous holes and some finish welding up in this area. Had to do a little bit of clearancing on the Roadster Shop chassis to clear the headers on both sides. See, the headers are a very tight fit, so didn't take much, but still took a little bit of clearancing to make it fit around the Roadster Shop chassis. Alright, so the body is off the Roadster Shop chassis. One area that Adam is having to address is the brack frame rails affected where the exhaust comes out. So he's had to make this notch here. Got this side welded in. So again, it's just allowing for clearance for the exhaust. Aaron was working on getting the Roadster Shop chassis torn down. You see he's got the front suspension off from it. Meanwhile, Adam's working on filling in all those extra holes on the firewall and the engine bay. Okay guys, I apologize, there's a little bit of a void in the progress here as I was on vacation, and while I was gone the last bit of metal fab and metal work was finished up, and the body came over to the body shop and it got sprayed in epoxy top and bottom, inside and out, and then it also got sprayed in Raptor undercoating. So you can see the texture of the Raptor undercoat. So the entire underbody, the wheel wells and inner fender areas were shot into Raptor undercoat. So up in here as well. And now the engine bay has been body worked. Getting ready to spray that in epoxy here in a little bit. Josh has got it all prepped out. So then after that, the rest of the bodywork phase can start. Alright guys, that's where things stand on the Mustang build. Thanks for stopping by. We'll have another video for you guys real soon. Take care.